Hello there, we're using 3-point perspective to draw a haunted house. All you'll need is a pencil, a ruler, and 1, 2, 3 vanishing points for this drawing. So we're going to start with 3-point perspective. One of the points will be down here, another over here, kind of low, and the other one over here, a little bit higher. With 3-point perspective, you're going to look at the corner of a building, but you're going to look with using the 3rd point at the bottom. It's going to appear as though you're looking up at a building. So we're going to start with what would have been the vertical lines earlier. They now have become diagonal lines. So I'm doing 3 diagonal lines, and I'm connecting the vanishing point on the left to these two here, the vanishing point on the right to the side. Oops. And the same with the vanishing points here. Good. Right, so this is the beginning of it's almost Halloween, so I'm going to do a haunted house. The roof I'm going to free draw. The diagonal lines over here, but the top of the roof, this one here, has to be connected to the vanishing point. So line up the vanishing point and these diagonal lines so that you make sure that your roof is in perspective. So there's the beginning of your haunted house. No, it has, those haunted houses have a parapet at the top. I think it's called a parapet. All right, and then windows, let's see. This looks like it should have at least 3 floors. So you see how the bottom of the window is connected to the vanishing point. That's the top floor. This is the middle floor. Oh, it looks like I'm going to get more than I bargained for. So it looks like there are going to be 4 floors, and then maybe the door will be right here. What would normally be vertical lines for the windows will actually turn out to be diagonal lines. All our lines suddenly became diagonal since we're working with 3-point perspective. So these lines are connected to this vanishing point, and these lines here are connected to this vanishing point. And how about a curved line at the top? Since this is Halloween, I thought I'd get something circular to help me create that moon effect. If you have a cup or a mug or something that will give you that round, or you can freehand your moon. Okay, so this looks like a tower on its own. I think I'm going to add a couple of sides to the building. So let's see, from this floor, I'm going to add another roof over here. It's overlapping this part of the building, so that goes away. So this part is free-handed, but then when you draw the walls coming down, you link it up to the vanishing point over here. Line up the vanishing point and the roof. And let's see, I think this should come down like this. The bottom, you line up the vanishing point and connect this line here to that side. And so this is going to be the left wing of the house. Let's do another wing. I'm just going to call it the wing of the house. And another roof coming up and down on this side. So this is free-handed. Erase the moon over here. Connect the vanishing point to the roof over there, and let's add the windows. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and to make it look like it's a little more haunted, you could have shutters that are falling down. You can add your own touches. See how there may be some missing shutters. Okay, I forgot the windows on this side. And I'm going to connect. See, everything on this side is connected to the left side, and everything on the right side is connected to the right side's vanishing point. So everything on this side of the wall of each box, this is one box, this is another box, and this is another box. So everything on this side of the wall is connected to the left vanishing point, and everything on the right side of the box is connected to the right side vanishing point. That's a simple rule, but easily forgotten as you draw. And it goes back to the left side. And if I want to draw something on the right side of this box, let's do one window right here. It gets, this side is connected to this vanishing point. We'll do some freehanding here. So there you have the beginning of your very scary haunted house. You can add in some things: owls, bats, scary trees. We need some steps over here. How about a haunted looking tree? And some bats flying. I'm going to add one window over here using the left. This is the left side of the box, so it's the left vanishing point. I have to remind myself. It's easy to forget. Think of each section as a box, and that might help you to remember which vanishing point to use. Okay, so there we go. There's the beginning of our very haunted house. You guys can add more stuff to it. Ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns, a cemetery or graveyard. Oops, that's me freewheeling over there. That needs to be connected to the vanishing point. Vanishing point, and draw your line to make sure that it's as accurate as you can make it. Okay, so there you are. There's your basics for 3-point perspective and drawing a haunted house.